Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. I actually got the mail by FedEx for the first time. It normally just comes in the mailbox. So today it was in the mailbox and it was raining and my box got wet. So I'm just hoping that the box is the only thing that got wet. So, what was I saying? Okay, so I'm not too sure of all of the spoilers with this month's box. I know the one thing that I got I'm really excited about. So this month's box, okay, so nothing seems wet, so that's awesome. So as soon as you get it, you get the pamphlet and you get well, because there's a little spoiler already, I already know one of the products I'm also getting, which technically is two products that I know I'm getting since the first one I picked. Okay, so anyways, this month's theme is Harvest, and back here you get all of the products as well as retail value. So the first product I see that's kind of separated from everything else is what I am so excited about. Like seriously, so excited. It is a Natasha Denona palette, and I do not own anything Natasha Denona related. I heard that some people were going to be getting this. I'm not sure if they said some people were getting it or everyone was getting it, but I didn't want to get my hopes up because anytime I feel like I get my hopes up about something, I don't forget it. So, oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's called their Peak palette, and okay, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm supposed to read the colors, but this is so pretty, so stunning. This just looks absolutely beautiful. This looks like a perfect everyday palette for me because I'm someone who loves burnt oranges and browns and just like nice soft pink and some, it looks absolutely beautiful. So this palette, I feel like I just kind of went on a rant right there. This is $48, and honestly, that's why I've never purchased or I don't own anything Natasha Denona related or Natasha Denona made. That makes sense? Makes sense? Because it's $48 for this 5 eyeshadow pack. But I've heard really good things about this brand, so very excited. So I'm just kind of getting rid of all the little fluff in here. So the next product right here is from Dr. Brandt. It's an antioxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. And yeah, I do really like Dr. Brandt's products. So this retails you for $40 also. It also has red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, and leaving your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. I can never have enough hydrating sprays, especially now with my current skin situation. I need as much moisture and hydration as possible. So the next product is the product that I got to pick. This is from Jouer. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer product. This retails you for $17. I've been wanting to try this product for such a long time. We had the option of picking between this or the Benefit Brow Definer, the one that has the fibers in it. I don't really have a lot of eyebrow hairs, and I don't feel like it would be really beneficial for me based off reviews, but I really wanted to try this. And because the month and the year is getting a little cooler, can never have enough lip balms. So I am very excited about this. I do want to know if it smells like anything. I don't think I smell anything. Okay, well, I already have stuff on my lips, so I don't want to mess up the applicator. I hate when that happens. Okay, so the next product is Pero Primero Primer. I'm probably butchering that. This is from Lamar Cosmetics. This is $15 normal price, and oh, so it's a water-based primer that's designed to glue your eyeshadow in place. So this is supposed to be a long wear sticky pigment base. So that's really exciting. I haven't been wearing too much eyeshadow primer with tons of my looks, but I feel like you always want something. You always want a really good base, especially when you're doing bright colors or just something that you really just want to you know, it's so okay. Moving on, very excited to trying this. Everything that I've tried so far from Lamar Cosmetics, I've really been enjoying. So I have high hopes and expectations for that. So the next and last product, oh, I'm so glad I got this. Okay, so this right here is from Half Caked. It's Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Did I say that right? Did I say that right? Did I pronounce that right? Is that how you pronounce it? Okay, so this retails you for $32, and this is a trio, which means you get 3 lipsticks. So these pretty much all dry down matte. So I'm gonna do little swatches right here. I've never tried anything from this brand, so we're just gonna start off with the lightest shade. Oh, that smells really good. And I do like this applicator. I don't know if you guys can see it or if it's picking up, but I do really, really like the shape. This feels like a moussey texture. Oh, and it smells like candy. I don't know how else to explain it. It smells like something sweet. I think this is the second shade. Oh, and this one smells different. And these are very, very pigmented. I don't feel like you need tons of product with this at all. Okay, last swatch. Wait, does it smell different? Now I feel like the first one smells a little different than the others, unless it's just me. I don't know. Comment below, let me know if you got these and if they all smell the same to you, or if I'm just kind of, you know, losing my smell senses. And yeah, so this is what they look like. Wait, this is the wrong way, right? So these are in order. These are really pretty. I'm really, really liking this color. I'm liking, yeah. I really haven't been too much into reds, but these two look really, really nice. But this one especially, this looks like a perfect everyday fall-ish tone. So very excited. So far with this box, I'm really happy with everything that I got. I'm not disappointed about anything. I think this was overall a really, really good box. Did I say how much these this lip trio is? It is $32. And it says make sure that your lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying for best wear. But yeah, that is it for this quick little unboxing. I'm really, really excited. I'm going to be testing out the eyeshadow primer and the Natasha Denona palette and the lipstick. Well, most of these things I'm going to be testing out in an upcoming video. I feel like I haven't done one of those in a really long time, so I'm gonna make sure that I do that because I'm very excited about everything in here. So that's it. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Helps me out tons, and I will see you guys in the next video.